Hey guys, welcome back to KMV vlog once again. So guys, we have come up with another video again. So today we're heading to Medziphema to visit one of my cousins because he have already shifted his place in Medziphema at his workplace. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So I'll take you guys. I'll take you guys, so just stay tuned, be patient, and I'll show you how it looks from the above. Everything is here. Hey. You there, say hi. This is the view from the above. Look at this view, guys. I mean, this is very pretty and it's scary as well. Now I'm scared to go down. I am scared to go down. Look at this. Oh no. And finally we have reached his place and we are going to start cooking. So while cooking, we had this one mixture. It was very spicy. My sister is showing her skill. This is a pure black sesame oil. Just look at the view. This is so peaceful, and also this mini shop. I just loved it. Living their best life.
Guys, andito big bite ko rin. Dangerous.
Big bite ko ka na nga.
Ito. Ito. Kill na na. Hindi na dahil. Ayun. Kunin natin ito.
And see, since most of my families and my friends, some of my friends, they told me that I don't work or cook, so this is how I cook. See, a very beautiful lady joined me in this video. I mean, look at this, guys. See, brownish. Are very delicious, you know, very delicious. So finally, kaulay siya, guys. Andiyo din niya ka na kawade. Wala ba hindi ka wajid? Kaba? Membership na baby. Itu mukbang na video na nakuha yan. Lalu Gila biasa.
Chỉ tập tiệc tới bên này. Anh làm gì? Guys, tabi bin eh. Ito ko na lang dito pa sa rante lang siya na. Bago na kayo na. Jadi lupa pa din.
Ma, I'm in Amsla. He is sweeping.
Guys, mangga saya kan baru lagi.
Yeah.
Kalau jangan worry dulu. Kalau terus tidak direct sudah menjauh dari sini. So, हम सब सफाई कर देना है today.
So guys, सब खत्म हुई है. इधर तो मगन गाड़ी जाऊँ हुई है.
Guys, very tired. As you can see me.
आज तो बात भी
इसने बोला कि ये टी-शर्ट पंडित जैसा लगता है.
In a good
You
way.
guys, comment down. Am I look like a pandit ji?
See, and those pink pants. Anyway, so today we came to Medziphema. Keep going, Gaspani, na?
That's funny.
Gaspani de Berawala Ishe to visit one of my cousin's place.
Yeah.
We had dinner here.
Lihat aja di mana bawa khawle barang deh. Kile gole mana alci. Fats ekla thagi sih na. Ekta khai di sih lebih. Ya na babi aja tuh.
Oh, this is my first time visiting Medziphema.
And this is the second time.
Like usually I used to go to Zinebuto, Koima,
Senyabuto.
but never stayed at Medziphema. So I really love the weather. Weather Medziphema is the best place, I would say. Like ini balase weather we mambhal iman thanda, and also the place which my cousin is staying, it's such a good place. So iman taki kuro, and then thank you for always supporting our channel. So please keep supporting again. We'll see you in our next vlog.
Yes.
Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye. See you in our next vlog.